Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 4-hour chart of GBPUSD and the last traded price is 1.2027. And as you can see, that market has just closed at the trend line and the trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance for quite some time. You can see that whenever market was trying to go up, trend line was acting as dynamic resistance. So my dear friend, if I miss anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Okay, so apart from the trend line, we can also see that the blue line, the 50 moving average is also acting as support, dynamic support and resistance. So as a result, we have got two resistances, trend line plus the 50 moving average. So on Monday, there is a possibility, high possibility, that market will face some selling and there may be a selling pressure and we can get a selling opportunity as well. So if market reverses on Monday from this particular level because of 50 moving average and the trend line, we can take a sell position, but we must be careful because when market bounce from the support zone, you can see that market formed a higher low here. It means that market did not break the previous high. Okay, remember I talked about descending triangle pattern. I talked about the descending triangle pattern in my previous video. Yes, the descending triangle pattern is still very much valid. There is no doubt. But if you look at the chart minutely, okay, you can see that support looks still very strong, and surprisingly, okay, market from the higher low. So on Monday, if market reverses from the 50 moving average and the trend line, this area we can take a sell position if we see a good price rejection from above. But in case if we find that market is standing at the 50 moving average with a big green candle, do not take a sell position. Okay, after all, during the weekend many things happen and the overall picture may change as well, so you must be careful. So overall, the descending triangle pattern, okay, I'll say that overall the pattern is still very much valid, and considering the pattern here, yes, there is a high possibility that market may break the support and go down as well. So if market breaks the support and starts going down, then obviously you can take a sell position below 1.1870. Below this level you can definitely take a sell position, but as long as market is trying to hold the level, market is maintaining the support, okay, you do not need to take sell position. Whenever market will be coming down to the support here and market will try to bounce from here, you should take a buy position. Do not expect a complete trend reversal, but at least you can expect a profit of 30, 40, 50 pips as long as market is maintaining or holding the support level. And yes, the trend line, the dynamic resistance is also very much valid. If market reverses, you can take a sell position from the um, resistance as well. Okay, and apart from these two levels, you can see that I have also drawn a blue line at the top here, 1.2052. okay, let's make it 1.2055 level. Okay, as I just said, that market, okay, as market has formed a higher low here, so yes, there is a possibility that market may break this level also. If you find market breaking this level and going high, because see, I have been telling you this thing for the last 2-3 days that unlike Euro USD and Gold USD, we do not see the weakness on GBP USD. Somehow, if you observe the chart, you will realize that GBP USD wants to recover. The buyers on the market do not want to surrender. So yes, if we go by the body language of GBP USD, then yes, there is also a possibility of market trying to recover. So if you find recovery with good amount of volume, then yes, we can take a buy position above 1.2055 as well. So observation will be very important. So once you find market around these levels, okay, wait for some time and just try to understand how the market is reacting. Okay, then only take a decision. And if I take you to the chart of DXY, then after the NFP, we could see some sort of not weakness, okay, correction on DXY. Overall, DXY is extremely bullish, no doubt, but if we just focus on this particular portion of DXY, then we can see that DXY looks tired right now. Okay, yesterday just before the NFP, DXY was trying to go up, but we saw a huge price rejection from above. So overall, DXY looks tired. So if the tiredness continues in the market, if DXY shows signs of correction on Monday, okay, then obviously GBP USD will break the blue line and it will be going up. The next support for DXY will be 106.26. Okay, so yes, there is a possibility that if DXY maintains the tiredness, okay, if DXY is too tired, then yes, DXY may test 106.26. Okay, until then we may see some recovery on GBP USD. So overall, if market bounces from the support level, you can go for a buy because the support is good enough, support is strong. And yes, being a descending triangle pattern, you must be careful and please follow proper risk manager, because see, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well, any analysis can go wrong, but that doesn't mean that you will be losing your whole capital. Protect your hard-earned money and do not gamble with your hard-earned money. So if you find market bouncing from the support, go for a buy, do not expect complete trend reversal. Okay, and in case market reverses from the dynamic resistance, you can definitely take a sell position. Your observation will be important. And in case DXY shows correction, DXY shows red candles on the chart, then GBP USD will definitely try to recover and we can take a buy position above 1.205 to level. Okay, so this is the overall picture of GBP USD right now. My dear friend, please be very careful, because see, this is the forex sentiment meter and we can see that 72% retail traders have taken long position. It means that they are on the buy side, and 27%, only 27% retail traders are on the sell side. And shockingly, the average buy position is 1.2659. 1.2659, somewhere around here they have taken buy position, and right now you can see that market is trading here. And this is the main reason why retail traders lose money, because we fail to follow the simple rule of the market, that is follow the trend. So if you're also making the same mistake, please do not make the mistake again and again. In case market breaks the support and starts falling again, exit from your buy position, because as I have already discussed in my previous videos, that there is no immediate support on GBP USD. You can also call it as last line of defense. Okay, bye bye, take care, follow proper risk management. Bye bye.